Very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our value education class 4, lesson 5, unique friendship. What is the meaning of unique friendship? Unique friendship means different friendship, special friendship. Think about it. First, friendship can cure a lonely hurt. Number 2, the person deprived of love often feels unhappy. What is the meaning of deprived? Not having enough of the basic things in life, such as food, money, etc. Number 3, love and respect are the foundation of true friendship. What is telling here? Love and respect are the foundations of true friendship. Never forget. First, innocence and humbleness melt every hurt. Number 2, hard work always brings good results. Number 3, friendship is priceless. Lesson 5, unique friendship. Our lesson number 5 is unique friendship. Long time back, in a small village, there was a poor boy named Sahil. Long time back, a small village, there was a poor boy named Sahil. Means Sahil lived there. He lived along with his mother in a small hut near his primary school. Sahil lived with her mother. With he lived with her mother. Where he will live? In small hut near in primary school. He was very hardworking and laborious boy. What is the meaning of laborious? Needing a lot of time and effort. Sahil used to go to school in the morning and the evening. He often did small jobs to assist his mother to earn their living. One day in the evening, he went for selling some comics. Means he is doing work. He assists his mother to earn their living. As he required some more money because he had to pay his school fees. Means he required more money. Some more money because he wanted to pay his school fees. He decided to work hard. Means he decided to start work hard so that he could sell many comic books as possible. Means he decided to do work hard and sell more and more comic books. Therefore, he started moving from door to door. Means he is going door to door and selling his books, his comics. In the meantime, he came across a very old and small house. It seemed as if people hardly came here. The owner of the house was an old man who rarely came out from his house. Whenever he came out, he did not talk to anyone. Means in that house lived an old man. Okay, he rarely came out from his house. Whenever he is coming from his house, he is not talking with anyone, not even his neighbors, but simply used to glare at them. He is not talking with his neighbors also, and he is simply used to glare. What is the meaning of glare? To look at somebody in a very angry way. Okay. Sahil stopped at the gate of the house and thought for a second. He then knocked at the door and stood in waiting. Means he knocked the door and he is waiting for some time. He was afraid of the old man. He is very afraid with the old man. He was in a mood to walk away, but the door opened slowly. He is waiting some time, but door not open, so he is wait for some time. Then he is moving to walk, but on the time door is opened. Slowly, it's open. What do you need? Who is asking this? Old man asking. What do you need? Asked that old man. The little boy was afraid. The little boy name was Sahil. He was afraid. Sahil afraid from whom? old man. Sahil replied humbly, "Sir, I am selling this comics and I was not sure whether you would like to purchase one." Sahil replied humbly. उसने डर डर के कहा, means he humbled, and he is selling, "Sir, I am selling this comics books, so I am not sure you want or not, but I like to purchase one." The old man just saw the boy angrily, and this old man saw the boy very angrily. At this, the boy could see from an angle something inside the old man's house, and found that this old man had different kind of coins laying on this table. Sahil seen from window. You seen this picture window? Yes, window is there. So Sahil seen from window. On table some coins are laying there. They seemed antiques, rare and old. That coins are very antiques and rare and old also. "Do you gather antique coins?" the little boy inquired. Means Sahil asked to whom? Old man. Old man telling, "Yes, I do. I have many rarest of the rare coins. They remind me about the story and their deep past. All this I do have." Means he is telling, they remind me about the history and their deep past. All this I do have. Then the boy felt very sorry for the old man, as he realized that he was very isolated and lonely person. Isolated means alone or apart from other people or thing. Means he is living alone, na? Lonely he is living, and unhappy also. Lonely means unhappy because he is living alone. No one was there to take care of him in his an old age. Means no one there to take care of this old man. "Anyway, I have comics here for the coin collectors. It could be useful for you," said the boy. The old man was about to close the door for the boy and replied, "No, son, I don't require any comics of any type. Bye bye." Means the old man told, no, I did not want any kind of comics. And then he is telling bye bye. Sahil came from the old man's house feeling very sad, at least for two reasons. Means he is feeling very bad. Who? Sahil. First, he became sad for himself because he could not make any sale. First, he is upset for because he is not making any sale, and secondly he was also sad because the old man was staying very lonely in his large house that he had owned. The boy went to his home. While walking, an idea flashed in his mind. Means one idea is coming on his mind. At his home, he too had a few antique coins left by his late father. Means his father collected some coins, at past time. These coins were useless for him. These coins are useless for Sahil. The boy again went back with the coins to the old man's house. Means Sahil again going back with where? Old man's house. He knocked at the door again. This time, surprisingly, the old man came exactly in front of the door. "My son, I have already answered you that I don't require any comics." Means the old man said, "My son, I have already answered you that I did not want any kind of comics." He did not require any comics. "No, sir." Who replied? Sahil replied, "No, sir, I am aware of that, but I wanted to give you a surprise gift." Means Sahil gave surprise to whom? Old man. The boy gave him all the coins, which lit up the old man's face. "My son, you very big hurt." But why are you doing all this? Means old man asking, you have a very big heart, but why are you doing this all this? The cute boy ultimately smiled at the old man and replied in pleasure, because I believe it would make you more happy. The old man was very touched. Never before had anyone given him such a precious gift and shown him kindness. He immediately purchased all the coins from the innocent boy. Not only that, they also become very good friends.